This is Joey's latest game. Throwing the Cheerios on the floor for the puppies, who are his best of friends whenever he has food.
You're a clown, boy.
Listen to the sheer joy. The puppies are loving it too. Oh, they're all gone. In a minute now, he'll be pointing to the Cheerios box. Yep. For more Cheerios for the doggies. Oh, gotta get them quick.
Calm down, kid.